Hello everyone, how's it going? This is the Bristle Blower. I'm going to do my first proper video, other than my introduction one, but this will be the real start. Thank you anyone that watched my first video, commented, liked and even subscribed. Very, very grateful. Thank you very much. I'll try and make sure I comment to anyone who leaves a comment on my video. Any questions or anything you want to ask, just go for it. So we're coming up to the middle of February, which can only mean one thing. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. So I thought I'd compile a little list of gifts you can get your bearded partner, or if you're like myself and are going to be single on Valentine's Day, gifts you can get for yourself. So, you know, that's the same. So I thought I'd keep this this gift guide here pretty simplistic, getting down to the real nitty gritty of what you can get someone if you've got like no knowledge of beards. For yourself or for your partner, if you want to just get them something nice, talking about like the essentials, the things that you can't really do without, or things that are just quite nice you might want to get someone. So the top two things that are staple in any beardsman's guide is how to keep their beard healthy, groomed, looking good. We've got beard combs, we've got beard oils. Any of those two would be a great gift for anyone or for yourself. Personally, I go with Kent combs. So I've got a selection here of the stuff I've got. Got a large one there. This one, which is quite cool, you bring that out at dinner table, people think you're going to stab them, but no, you're just going to comb your beard. That's always fun. Also, they have like a little diddy one. If you can see it there, it's going to focus maybe, for a little mustache comb. They're great. Loads of people use them for a reason, because they're really good quality. You don't want a plastic one that's going to snag, or one that's had like been made cheaply. It's going to be cause static on your beard, or it's going to just catch things because of the little imperfections that are going to be on there. But you won't get that, wooden combs. I'll leave a link in the description for all the stuff I'm going to mention. Kent combs are really, really easy to get hold of. You can get them in most boots and also on Amazon really, really easily, and probably most shops that sell combs. Out of the lot of them, personally, I would recommend this one I showed initially. It's just a really really big multi-purpose comb there. So you can see it's got the wider teeth at this end here, so that's when you've got more of a bigger sort of bushier beard, one that is quite dense, so you can get that through easier. And it's just good to have sometimes, especially if your beard's feeling dry, it's good to have wider teeth on there. And then you just swap to the other end there, and you can use that for like your mustache, or when you want a more sort of controlled sort of comb on your beard. It's great. So it's a multi-purpose comb. That's probably the one I recommend. It's the one I use probably most times, and it's good just to have around the house. Another one which is good, I'll go back to this one, so the one that you can sort of flip up and down like that, flip comb, is good, that, because you can, I have loads of these, I buy them and just like disseminate them across every single coat pocket, trouser pocket that I've got, so if I'm out somewhere I can just reach in and do like a lucky dip and go, that's pretty, so there you go. So boom, combs. And if you're looking for something a bit more personalised, there's a cool comb that I found on daftbrand.com, and you can personalise it and add your name in there. It's this magnetised sort of flip comb, made from what have we got on here? I'll put a picture up of it maybe there if I can manage that. Made of polycarbonate and used as a bottle opener as well. I'm thinking of getting it in myself. So yeah, just put that out there. I don't know how good it is, but I've read the reviews and a lot of people seem to like it. So I'll probably get that for myself. Get a little bristle blower carved in on the side of it. So that's just a little idea if you want something a bit more personable. And it does look pretty cool. There's quite a few options on there. If you don't want the personalised one, they've got a new carbon one as well. Like I said, these are just ideas from me. I'm not getting any money for this, but I just thought it was something quite cool to find. That might be one worth checking out. Now, thinking of beard oils, if you want to get that for your partner or for yourself, you want to look for something that has good quality ingredients, load of weird E numbers and bad stuff in it. And there's a lot of really good stuff out there. It's not hard to find good quality beard oils. And also scents as well. So if you know they like a particular scent, you might want to try and aim it towards that. Or just try something different. Out of the things that I recommend, personally what I'm using at the moment, which I'll probably do, well I definitely will do a review on in the near future, I'm using 7 potions at the moment, so I do recommend that. It's a good gift. I can get that on there, does that look good? Boom. Great company, great ingredients, all natural, which is always great. Scent's really nice and it feels really good in the beard, so I do recommend that. I'll leave a link in the description for that. Can't really go wrong with what you can get on there. And in terms of companies that have got Valentine's Day gifts offers, beard companies, there's not actually that many out there. That's probably stuff I've missed, but I know Eastwing Grooming Company have got 20% off their already discounted gift sets if you use the code Valentine's, so that's pretty good. I haven't actually, full disclosure, I haven't actually tried them myself yet, Hopefully that's going to change very soon, and I've had a bunch of recommendations for them on my Instagram. People saying they're the best thing ever, so hopefully I look forward to trying that out. But yeah, you should check them out for a Valentine's Day offer there for a beard gift set. You can't really go wrong there. Another option, if you want to go all out, and perhaps maybe they know a bit about beards, they know a bit about their reputation of beard brand, perhaps you might want to get them something from their gold line to show you really care and that you're really prepared to flash the cash. Personally, I'd recommend, you can't really go wrong actually with the gold line for beard brand, but I would go for their beard oil, and perhaps Old Money. As you can see, it looks great, packaging's really good, really professional, and they do carry with them that sort of reputation. If you're familiar with beard stuff, beard brand gold line, maybe give that a look. Now, for something a bit on the silly side, and I thought it was a bit silly, but once I watched a video of I think it might be quite a fun little gift from Newman.co.uk. We've got the Beard King beard bib, which hopefully I'll stick up there. Hopefully, if I've done that well, which is just a bib and that you can attach to your mirror, put around your neck, for basically when you're shaving your beard. I mean, it might be a fun little gift for Valentine's Day. You get your partner. I wasn't sold when I saw it, but it's actually quite neat. You tell you, it suction pads, attaches to the mirror, and then you can clip back on. It comes off your neck and it clips back on there quite easily. So maybe give that one a look. It's on sale at the moment as well for $17.95. Just something to think about as well. Hopefully for trimming, not for shaving. Never shave. Never shave. Lastly, one more thing I'd like to highlight, which I got for Christmas actually from the Bearded Man Co, is this absolutely great selection box here. It's got tiny little vials of all their beard oil scents. It's a really, really nice looking gift you can get for someone. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, there's loads of great scents in there. It's such a great selection. You can see hopefully there. You've got like Walk in the Park. You've got Rain, Driftwood, Cedarwood, Bay Rum, Spice. Anything you can think of. It's a full collection of all their scents. It's 100% natural, which is great, and it's a great looking box really. So I do highly recommend that. I'll link that in the description again. I'll pop that down below. Yeah, I got that for Christmas, and yeah, it's just really good. I've been working my way through them. I'd say probably perfect for Valentine's Day, really. Right, I think that might be it for things. That's just a few things that I just found out recently while looking for Valentine's Day gifts. I'll probably I'll link a bunch more in the description just for things that I think are really good quality and that anyone can appreciate, be it Valentine's Day or not. So I hope you found some value in this gift guide. Hopefully you found something in there you can get. Sorry it's a bit last minute for Valentine's Day. I know we've only got a week, but if I could highlight anything, literally just a good comb, some nice beard oil as a great gift for anyone. I'm going to get the man comb myself, so if you follow me on Instagram, at the Bristle Blur, you'll see what I make of that when it arrives. So if you want to know how that is and maybe think about getting it yourself, check me out on there. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it, and please like, leave a comment, subscribe please if you want to see more content like this. I promise I'll get back to all your messages. I'll try and help whenever I can. If you want to ask me any beard questions, I'll be happy to answer it, or just any questions at all. I'll link a bunch of stuff in the description below, everything that I've mentioned in this video. I'll probably link a bunch of other stuff as well, just good things that I use and good quality beard products. So yeah, thank you all for watching. But of course the most important thing to remember on Valentine's Day, and I want you all to remember this, is if you're an attractive lady who likes beards, please hit me up, please.
Follow me
And for any of you suggesting this is just a cheap excuse just to buy Valentine's Day chocolate that I can eat, you are dead wrong.